I'm gonna have to cut off the cat hair on the boob anyway. Also, this is not the new camera battery, so I'm going to get more of them. I just have to stretch them out. They're way too much money to get in one go. I don't know what I'm going to do with my old batteries though. I mean, they're not terrible, but could be better. Do you want to hold up the things and do a thumbnail?
Nah.
Just pushing everything aside to see.
Move that way just a tiny bit.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
No. I'm sure. Let's go.
Hello everyone. Welcome back. We are in our pajamas. Yes, they are still our winter pajamas. Don't judge.
They're comfortable.
They are. So what are we doing today?
Face masks.
Which I'm slightly terrified of. Why are...
Here, let me see your phone.
What are you doing? I don't have the Google Translate thing.
You do.
I do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know since when.
Since like 5 hours ago when I checked that thing.
Did you download it?
Yep.
We are doing some Korean face mask. We have 2 of the tigers because I thought I accidentally got a dog. A panda. And the one that she is trying to find out what it says is a lamb. Now I did have 3 others that... What are you doing? I had 3 others that showed up today. One was a monkey, one was a dog, one was a fox, but unfortunately something happened and one of them busted. I don't know which one it was, so I just kind of threw them all away. We only have 2 each instead of 3. What you doing?
You gotta set this to Korean.
What was it set to before?
Spanish.
Why was it set to Spanish?
Because it just automatically goes to Spanish.
Okay, well, she is doing the panda and the tiger. I am doing a tiger and a lamb. So, what are you doing now?
You're not connected to Wi-Fi.
I should be.
Why were you not connected to Wi-Fi?
I have no idea. Having fun?
Not yet.
Okay, well, while she's trying to figure that out, are we going to do the tiger at the same time, or are we going to do... How are we going to do it?
Yeah, we can. But I want to do the panda, and I assume we're only doing one right now.
No, yeah, we're going to do one at a time. You want to do the panda first, and then you want to do the tiger last. Works for me. We don't need to know what it says, friend. She's still going to look it up. Well, I'm going to hand those to you. And I can't do anything because you currently have mine. I have no idea what she's doing.
I don't know either. I'll look at it later.
So, from what English it does say, it says that the sheep pattern mask for your skin care is to add fun. It has a replenishing skin moisture to lock in water, help improve dry skin, and balance oil. Basically, I'm paraphrasing a bit. What does yours say?
Panda pattern mask for you in the skincare process to add fun. Condensate moisturizing ingredients, nourish the skincare, add skin moisture to help improve the skin dry, smooth skin, silky touch, pink and tender, gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful luster.
So basically mine is for dry skin and yours is to make it silky. Okay, so I've never done one of these. She's never done one of these. I believe the internet said that it can take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes to do it correct. It's already moist. Oh, I don't know if it's actually gonna have the pattern. Oh, goodness. I don't want to tear it either. Oh, it does have the pattern. Okay. Ooh. What does it smell like? Oh, it's dripping.
A baby wipe.
It does kind of smell like a baby wipe. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. I don't want this on my face, but I know I have to. Okay. Oh, I tore it. Oh no. I think I did anyway. That might be the nose. How's it coming on your end?
It's like a very wet baby wipe.
Oh, goodness. It's definitely something, but I don't know if I'm doing this right. So.
It's kind of soapy.
Kinda, which also kinda freaks me out. Ready?
No.
I think I am. Also not looking forward to this. So here's my lamb. Kinda derpy. I feel like yours isn't dripping as much as mine.
Oh, so cold.
Oh, I did not move my hair out all the way. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's falling.
How do I look?
How do I look? Okay. I need to get my phone so I can have the timer. Time to find the clock. I can't really talk onto the thing.
I don't think you're supposed to.
Oh, goodness, I got way too much in my hand.
I'm gonna have to take a picture of us on these.
Oh, I fully intend to. No, I don't want it set for 99 hours.
99 hours of time on the ball, 99 hours of time.
We're gonna go in the middle ground with 15. So, we'll see you in 15. Hi, so it's almost time for it to be done. Tiffany's still trying to figure out what the crap they say. Oh, goodness, I almost swallowed it.
Don't do that.
What's it say?
Commercialization method. Location of Jiraku European Expo Cosmetics Corporation. Location Shirokun Ku Hakuzu City Hakubu. That's not anything I really want to know.
Anything useful?
Just want to know what's in them.
I don't think the people ever know what's in it.
I don't know which part of these. This is the ingredients.
How much time I wonder is left? I think it was like 2 whenever I last turned it off.
A minute.
Less than a minute? Or a minute?
About a minute.
Oh no. Is it gonna have to restart you? Oh no. I have no idea how she's doing this whole story.
Gorgeous, beautiful, luster bear cat.
Bear cat? It's a panda.
Water melting.
What?
Water melting flush ingredients. Powdery mildew, nourishing tan skin, supplementary TA drinking water. Special bakeware, luminous, skin smoothing, general soft texture. Katami golden.
Oh, that's the timer.
May.
I'm gonna take this off
Eta oil.
now. Do I look any prettier? Oh, my heart. I need to pull back up the timer.
Ugh. I'll tell you the thing is that They smell and feel like a wet
I mean, I've
baby wipe.
I've heard that they can be like real bad or they could be decent. So I think we got one of the decent ones. So we're uncultured swine. But we're gonna move straight on to the...
My face feels very cold.
Well, it was really
Does
cold.
my face feel smooth?
So that was the panda and the ram. Oh, yours is still... Oh, goodness. Lots and lots of liquid.
Well, why'd you pick it up upside down?
I didn't think it was upside down. Okay, so our last one is the little, like, king tiger is what it's called. On the front it says new style tiger mask for added fun and skincare for the skin feels like water, smells soft, moist, and plump. The panda said the exact same thing. And the ram pretty much said the same thing outside of the last word said chubby instead of plump. So let's try and tear into this guy, shall we? Okay, definitely a little bit harder getting into this guy. Then again, I could just be really weak. Again, kind of has a smell to it, but I don't know if it's a good.
It smells like a baby wipe.
Conspiracy theory, that's all this really is. It's just a fancy baby wipe.
And it probably is. It's just got essential oils in it and stuff.
Okay, this was easier to open though, I will give it that, compared to the ram. Is it easier to open than the panda?
Nope.
Maybe I'm just getting slightly decent at this. Alright, so here we go. Oh, it went up my nose. Oh, I hear movement. We're doing this at night. My family's gonna question my sanity if they see me like this. And they're gonna see me like this. Oh no. It's cold. Okay, I think it's on. Oh. I think it's Mom.
Oh dear God.
And start.
Just stare
Oh,
at
it's Dad.
I just stare at him. Bye. Do we look beautiful?
I don't think we do.
Oh, it's so slimy.
This one is slimier. It's gonna have a boob shot.
Hi guys, so it's Tiffany here. There's Sarah. Don't know if you could even see her that shot. I'm gonna go see what Princess will do when she sees me in this mask. The other cats are sleeping, so.
She might be too. I don't know.
She usually wakes up when we go in. Princess! Hi, Princess! Hi, Princess! Hi! Are you even bothered? You don't even care? You just want love? I think she's more thrown off about the smell on my hands than anything else. Fail!
Sorry about that, guys. Oh, my leg. Perfect timing. My leg. So that is our 15 minutes up. Okay. Why on my phone?
Because I didn't think your phone was there.
Yeah, it was. No. I take yours off, you take mine off. Clean up the table. And then promptly clean our faces. My poor leg, man. What did you do? I don't know. It's the leg that I drive with, too, so that's not good. Guess that's what I get for using the bathroom. While I'm supposed to be filming. So overall, what are your thoughts? How does your face feel? Oh, I still have gump on there. Okay.
I think you're supposed to technically rub it in.
I don't know. From what little you were able to translate, you said something about a paper towel.
No,
or
but
just
I always
paper.
see Sophia rubbing it in, so.
Oh, we aren't Sophia, so we're uncultured in this category. You just hit my foot with yours. Overall, I'm a hot mess tonight. Would you do a face mask again?
Yes.
Would you do one of these again?
Yes.
Would you be willing to wait about 2 months to actually get them?
Yes. I don't think I would do them very frequently, that's
No.
why. But we were talking, and they'd probably be really nice after like a long day of beach and stuff whenever we go on vacation. Because they feel very soothing whenever
Yeah.
they're on, very relaxing because
I
they're
know.
nice and cool.
I know you're not supposed to do too many. I know, like, if you do a Korean beauty product, I think they do one every night, though. So I'm conflicted. I know some sources say you can, some sources say you can't. I don't think I'd be one of the people that do them every day.
I don't have the patience to do them every day.
Not enough patience, not enough funds. We're in saving mode as is. It was by the grace of God that I was able to get these and do a video for you. You can blame Markiplier because he did Korean mask and I wanted to do it too. Any final words? I'm gonna go see about why my leg is hurting. Goodbye, friend.